Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about teachers as motivator. First, one of the biggest challenge in the classroom is that is giving motivation to the students. Therefore, motivation exists in two types. That is intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation means that the students have their own interest. That means they have their own interest to learn about the subject, etc. Likewise, extrinsic motivation occurs that when a teacher gives a reward or recognition, by seeing that the students will get motivated. It is called as extrinsic motivation. And next is these are some of the methods in which teacher can build motivation in the students. The first is improve rapid and build relationship. That means it shows that the teacher must know each student on a personal level. That means you asking their names, background, etc. Therefore, it will create a students that teacher will care about themselves. So by seeing that, the students will work hard for the teachers. Next one is to cultivate a positive environment. The teacher need to create a positive environment in the classroom. By creating this positive environment, the students will feel really enjoyable and they study very hard for the teachers itself. And next is rewards and recognition. As a teacher, we need to give a rewards and recognition when a student performs high. The rewards, in case we can give a pizza party, like watching a movie, celebrating itself, like. But at the same time, we do not give over to rewards because it always creates expectation instead of treat. Next is allow students options. Self-control learning allows students some choice and control over what happens in the classroom. They have a specific topics and activities in class. For example, allowing students, that is the teacher needs to allow students to choose what type of assignment you are going to write. So that means by allowing students interest, it will also create more interest among the students to learn the subject. And next is group work. Group work means using collaboration. That is the teacher asks some groups, that is some students to form a group and you discuss among themselves. That means it will give a best environment to work. And next one is prize. As a teacher, we need to prize the students a lot. If they achieved in academics, we need to prize the students. And next one is apply students interest. No matter the subject covered, find ways. As a teacher, we need to find ways to make the material fun and excited for the students. And we should always apply your students interest instead of our interest. Then next is making things fun. We need to play a lot of games. That is, we need to conduct a lot of games and fun activities in the class to grab their student attention. And next one is sharing their experience. Sharing their experiences means students, that is teachers ask the students to share their opinions. It will create a positive environment. If students feel like their experience or valued, they will work harder in the class to share their ideas and feelings. And next is give them responsibility. As a teacher, we need to give a students a responsibility like a leader. That like we, if a teacher gives means they will work for a teacher itself. So it will automatically create interest among the students. And next is use positive competitions. Competitions in the classroom is not always a bad thing, and in some classes can motivate students by try harder and work to excel. Work to foster a friendly spirit of competition in your classroom, perhaps through group games related to materials or other opportunities for students to show off their knowledge or skills. And next is encourage self-reflection. Most kids won't succeed, they just need to help figuring out what need to do in order to get out there. One way to motivate students is that give them a task, that is give them to take a hard look at themselves and determine their own strengths and weaknesses. And next, modern enthusiasm for learners. One of the best ways to get your students motivated is to share your enthusiasm. When you are excited about teaching, they will be much more excited about learning. It's that simple. Manage student anxiety. Some students find the prospect of not doing well, so anxiety including that is becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. For these students, teachers may find that they are most motivated by learning than struggling with the subject at the end of the world. And next, prize. Remember to prize the effort, not intelligence. we underestimate how hungry our students are for our prize. Don't only praise and the best underperforming students, praise the ones in middle too. Provide opportunity. The teacher need to provide a lot of opportunities students to show their talents. So make sure that all students get a chance to play to their strength and feel included the values. It can make a world of beautiful and a difference and improve students motivation. Thank you.